Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10e and let me show you how to add here the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open here the list of all apps, choose here settings. From the list of settings you need to scroll down and choose biometrics and security. Tap on fingerprints and let's read the following information, tap continue. Before you add the fingerprint, you need to set up some backup method. It could be pattern, pin or password. Let me use pattern. Let's draw the unlock pattern, tap continue. Let's draw it again just for confirmation. Choose here confirm. Alright, now you can scan your fingerprint. So let me do it. The fingerprint scanner is located right here. Let's choose your finger and scan your fingerprint. So let me just do it. It's almost done. Tap continue to get a full scan. Alright, tap done, and now you can simply lock your device by pressing power key, and you can unlock it by using your fingerprint, as you can see right here, or you can unlock it by using your pattern. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.